and getting ready to press the button. Ready?
Off Tinder,
right?
Because I think people think I'm
They've reported you.
fake. Yeah. So I've been kicked off with Bumble, Tinder, Hinge. I love Tinder, right? Tinder's great, but Hinge is what I really want to get on because I feel like that's now like mid-20s, like that's what people are on. I'm on it. Yeah, I'm on a bunch. Don't worry about that. But then I got on this one. Someone the other day told me I got on this thing called Field. I go on it, and it's like so sexual. It's unbelievable. Like it's all about like kinks and BDSM, and I'm like, this is way beyond like anything I'm like tuned in for.
And also,